The DEVPNR 59L rolling garment bag is a versatile travel companion that can be used as a handheld bag, rolled with its telescopic handle, or placed on top of a suitcase, making it perfect for various travel needs. With a generous 59-liter capacity, this bag can comfortably store clothing for several days, including large suits, and features multiple pockets for organizing smaller items like ties and keys. An independent shoe compartment allows you to separate footwear from clothing, while a USB charging port ensures you can keep your devices powered on the go. Constructed from premium 900 denier water-resistant Oxford cloth, the bag is designed to withstand scratches and tears, ensuring durability for frequent travelers. The quiet rubber wheels and raised standing feet add to the bag's stability and ease of use, preventing it from tipping over during travel. Its stylish design and practical features make the DEVPNR rolling garment bag an ideal choice for business trips, weekend getaways, and various other occasions.